And welcome back to the channel. In this one we're actually doing something. So I've been watching some how-to and just a basic knowledge videos lately and wanted to try to square up some stock to use for a shooting board. S4S I've come to understand it's what it's called, where it's square on 4 usable sides and then the cut ends I believe don't count, which I kind of made a mistake later in this video, you'll see. Anyway, here I'm just finding a scrap piece of wood, and these are called what are they, siding sticks, something. They're to find twists in wood. So here you see me lifting one edge and it's just telling me that 2 sides are higher and like the diagonal corners. So I'm setting those on each side, pencil marking, and then we'll get to planing. I've been watching some planing videos and thought I had that under control. Just bought a plane and pulled it out of the box and been trying to use it. Find out here in a minute as well. That's not all there is to it. This board wasn't too bad. If anything, that bench is not. That's just like a craft bench. It's definitely not flat and square itself. I probably did this way too many times, but you know, had to do both sides and not really sure what I'm doing at this point. We're just kind of looking at everything. But I think I did get it in the end. Spoiler, I tried to do some there and it didn't work out. So we're marking everything, and come to find out that after watching more videos, tool care matters. So I went and found some sharpening stones. They're not great, questionable grits, have no clue. Found some honing oil, and in hindsight, maybe should have watched a few more videos, but I just tried to put a second shiny spot on the blade. Did that work? Yes. Was it right? No, not at all. But, you know, that's what this channel is going to be about. I'm learning, we're learning. If you already know, hey, leave some tips, tell me some stuff. I'm not the best spokesperson, so I'm probably going to shut up here pretty soon and just show some work and let it speak for itself, and I'll check back in at the end. But I appreciate everybody who's been showing interest, and it's hard for me to find and stick with a hobby, but since I was young, I've always wanted to do this, and now in my mid-30s, I have time. So I'm going to try, and I'm going to really try. I appreciate you guys, and this is the end of my horrible sharpening. I'm touching the, what is this called? The back. I need to know these words, don't I? Maybe in the next one I'll know the lingo. Anyway, this kind of worked enough to get the job done, so let's see what I did. Alright, and like we talked about earlier, this was where I maybe messed up. Everything was going well, going great. As you could see, it was getting there. We're about to show off the final product at the end, but I decided to hit this, and as you can probably tell, it's not working out for me. I maybe messed up my piece of wood, but we can fix it, and I will fix it. This is going to be a shooting board, so that'll be the next video, just fully making a shooting board. I decided to include mistakes because, like I said at the beginning, this is me learning, man. So, yeah, I messed up. You probably shouldn't take little chunks at one part and then get stopped and try to take little chunks. Yeah, one full pass. We're learning. And here's the finished product. Now I would say that's pretty good. Showing off the bottom here as well. This is going to be a shooting board. If you can see that little chopped bit in the back there towards me, I tried to put a tenon, I think that would be called, in there. Well, it didn't work out, so I'm going to show that fail in the next video at the beginning, and then hopefully at the end of the video we'll have a shooting board. But yeah, I think I did my first S4S. What do you guys think? Wait, I can do that better. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll see you guys next time.